Today I'm going to make for you my special breakfast smoothie. Now this has an unexpected ingredient because I add spinach in it. And while that might sound strange, you can't actually taste it, and it's a great way to get the kids to eat their greens. Now let's first start off with our banana. You can either use one big banana, or here I'm using 3 little bananas. Next we'll add in the frozen spinach pellets. By adding frozen spinach, you won't actually need to add ice to this. That way you won't have to dilute your smoothie. Next, we'll put in a little bit of oatmeal. That adds a bit of fiber to this, and it'll give you that boost of energy and keep you full throughout the morning. You can also choose to use ingredients such as chia seeds, flax seeds, sunflower seeds. All of these can give your smoothie the extra boost of nutrition each morning. Today I'm going to add in blueberries as well. These are a great source of antioxidants. Then I'm going to add in about a tablespoon of honey. And a tablespoon of peanut butter. I use natural peanut butter with no added sugar or salt, which actually makes it a very healthy ingredient to use. Next, I'll add in my almond milk. And then this is ready to blitz up. Now let's just pour it into our serving glass. And there you have it. A healthy breakfast smoothie that will trick your kids into drinking some of their greens. It will also give you a great boost of energy first thing in the morning, and I'm telling you, you will be full until lunchtime. For more healthy options, you can visit my site at Food Matters.